What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at how to deploy a project on Vercel. Firstly, go to Vercel website and sign in to your account. Make sure your project is ready to deploy. Node.js, Next.js, React, etc. or a graphic and static site. Push your project to GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket, and Vercel integrates easily with Git repositories. Now in Vercel dashboard, click New Project. Select your Git provider like GitHub, etc. Then choose the repository you want to deploy. Now, you need to configure project name, root directory, framework, preset, and environment variables. Just click Deploy and Vercel will install dependencies, build your project, and publish it. Now, preview deployments happen automatically on new branches, and production deployment is linked to your main branch. Just go to Settings, then Domains. Add your custom domain, then Vercel handles SSL automatically. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.